Look at that. They're even making the cloth in black and silver now.
I just want to say that I love her videos, and yeah, maybe she can help me to find my favorite bag today.
Of course. What do we think?
That's kind of cute.
It is. And you never know, right? You never know if somebody means it or if they don't. I'm so super excited. I cannot believe how excited I am. Okay. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so today we're going to pick up my birthday bag. We're gonna have another look because you know I was so struggling. I really liked everything we saw in my last vlog, to be honest. So yeah, look at this, guys. Autumn is definitely coming, well, winter is coming, but I love it when it's the golden hour. London is so beautiful. Quick look at Celine, guys. So they got the new colors here, and they got so many models. Actually, look at that. They're even making the cloth in black and silver now, and I think the Tilly bag as well. So look at this as an overview, and look at this beautiful wall. Wow. Once, guys, I was thinking about getting that backpack. However, in this white canvas, it comes in the white as well. And it looks so nice, like for hiking trips, you know, if you still want like a designer bag, but it needs to be like a workhorse bag, you know. And I think this canvas is indestructible as well. I prefer the white over the brown. But just look at this. I don't have a classic Celine canvas piece yet. So let me know if you have, oh, they have these massive bags now as well. Let me know if you have one and how the quality is. This is the regular size Nino. Still like the Ava bag, to be honest. However, it's nicer in the brown leather, I think. Oh, this is the small Nino. So this is the big one and this is the small in patent leather. So stunning. Look at this fabric. Wow. Shiny. This is a nice black one as well. Yeah, guys, I'm still eyeing the leopard cloth in the shearling and the smooth calf leather and the Tallulah. Still in love with all of them. Okay, and look at these beauties. So this is a nice shape as well, and I think they make the Tilly now in black and silver too. And look at these. To be honest, the suede bags look quite nice as well. Feels quite nice. We got a black suede as well down there. Such a temptation. Hi guys, so I just met Jamie. Hi. Do you want to say anything to YouTube?
No, I just want to say that I love her videos, and yeah, maybe she can help me to find my favorite bag today.
Of course, of course. So what are you eyeing? Tell me.
Anything top handle.
Anything top handle.
Yeah. Small, not too mini, but yeah.
What about these there? I'm just showing her. These.
Well, maybe it can fit my phone.
Do you have any classic Celine bags? Oh, what are you wearing today, by the way? Show me.
It's just like a YSL, what's the name? Chain, some kind of version.
Chain. Yeah, nice.
Cassandra something.
Okay.
Even Cassandra. Yeah,
guys, I'm not so versed with YSL. Guys, look at that. Jamie's trying on this half moon case. And her phone fits. I like the canvas. It's so durable.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. It looks good on you. Look at her bag. I just said it's really nice. I think it's super practical.
Very hot wear.
Yeah. And you don't have to worry, just like with patent leather, with the canvas you don't have to worry about rain. So this is still the bag that I'm looking at. What do you think about this?
I think it's lovely. Is it heavy because of the hot wear?
It's okay. So I have a Bottega chain and that's a lot heavier.
It's way heavier.
It's way heavier. So I just keep coming back to this bag, right? Does it mean something? This is a display model as well, of course. So I wonder if they have a new one. So Jamie is looking at this bag as well. The Teen Lola, what do we think? That's kind of cute. It is. Guys, look at this one. I know the lights are flickering, but super nice. Super fluffy. Hello, look at this. I do not like it's not even the proportions, I would say it's the aesthetics of this bag. I just think it gives me slight, I mean I love my boy bag, Chanel boy bag, but it gives me slight boy bag vibes, this bag in general. I think in a couple years time it might look dated. It doesn't matter, of course, if you love your bag, you know. You should always just go for what you love, but just in general, I think this style will be dated very soon. But give me your opinions. Does any of you own this bag? Like in leather or in canvas or anything like that? Yeah, guys, I don't know. You know, I love shearling. I think that's what it comes down to. But this bag, no, I would rather go for the leopard one. We'll see in my last video. Yeah, guys, and I also wanted to address something today because so many of you were wondering why I haven't shown you my fair babies in a while. And so much actually happened, and I am going to tell you about it now. There's a reason why we've decided not to show our little fur clupsies for a while. But yeah, this is Crumble. It's my absolute cuddle baby. Crumble is a little bit more feisty, but Crumble loves cuddles, and Teddy is fine, of course, as well. I mean, can we just see that he's such a little cuddle baby? Yeah, I'm gonna tell you now what happened. Our babies are free roaming, but I still need to keep an eye on him. Because I do have, like, most cables are like tucked away and everything, but bunnies always find something to chew on. If you have a bunny, you know that, and I obviously don't want him to chew on my bags either, so as long as he's flopped here, it's fine. So, by the way, unfortunately, pumpkin spice is over, guys, but eggnog lattes are good too. So I got my little eggnog latte here. And yeah, so after I shared with you that we got Teddy, and you know, he's the absolute cutest, and the bunnies are almost 4 years old already, so the bunnies we've had for a while. And I got so many hate comments on my pet videos because we didn't adopt them. Well, the bunnies I got from a friend actually who accidentally had a litter of bunnies, so I decided to adopt 2 in that case, but they're not from a shelter or anything. And Teddy was from a breeder, and so many people were hating on me, on us, for not choosing to adopt a pom instead of getting a baby pom from a breeder. So because there was so much going on, and on top of all of that, and the story is going to give you goosebumps, I got like threatening emails from like an anonymous person. And obviously we're dealing with everything, and you know, but certain things, you know, you should take probably seriously, and I'm a little bit paranoid as well. But when I went to Selfridges, somebody must have spotted me, and they wrote me a quite long paragraph actually of, well, it started with, next time we see you at Selfridges, we're going to steal your dog, we're going to steal your bag, and we're going to follow you home. And they knew what I was wearing that day, so it was somebody who saw me in Selfridges. All of these elements just mixed together. I just had enough, because obviously I was dealing with my surgeries, I was dealing with the recovery. I just couldn't take more hate comments, you know, considering our little fur babies. Yeah, so that's maybe why you see a little bit less of them right now. And I focus more on bags again, but there were so many people, of course, asking me how they are. So that's that. And it's not always easy to do YouTube, because 99.999% of people are so lovely. Like Jamie that I met, you know, in Selfridges the other day. She was so lovely, and I love running into you guys. But the 0.0001% of people, can we see that? Like, I get goosebumps. So, and you never know, right? You never know if somebody means it or if they don't. So I'm a little bit more cautious at the moment, a little bit more careful, but yeah. Okay guys, so let's get into the LABUBU unboxing part of this video, because I cannot believe that I got a full box of them, and this is the macaron version, the version 1, and they are so cute and they are so fluffy, and I'm even more excited about these than about the Have a Seat LABUBUs, but I show you all of my LABUBUs later. Just look at that. Okay, I would say let's set it up and let's do ASMR again, because these are the LABUBUs in this box plus a potential secret. So I want this one, and this one for sure. I'm so super excited. I cannot believe how excited I am. Like, my inner child is jumping right now. Okay, here we are. Okay guys, I just filmed the short video where I unboxed all the macarons individually, so go and check out my short. I'm really not getting into shorts, so I thought if not now with LABUBUs, then probably never. So yes, I opened them for the short video, and I would say let's get right into it. Okay guys, I knew that these were supposed to be super soft, but I had no clue what I was in for. They are softer than like my teddy onesies. This was the first one that I unboxed. This is soy milk. And guys, so I am so lucky. I still got the good batch, the ones with the fabric tag, and all their faces are adorable and symmetric, and because they are producing so many LABUBUs at the moment, of course, because the demand has skyrocketed, so the quality is going down a little bit, and they're actually outsourcing to a new factory. So, you know, I'm super happy to still got fabric tag LABUBUs, and they are all adorable. There's not a single LABUBU in this batch that has any issues. So, soy milk. Lychee berry, guys, and lychee berry I was super excited about as well. So, for the ASMR people, of course. This is the lychee berry LABUBU, and look how perfect he is. How round, how chunky. He is absolutely adorable. Look at him. Perfection. And they all have, like, this one has a pink nose because it's pink, and the green one has a green nose. So it's a super nice touch, if you ask me. Lychee berry, and here you can see the difference now properly. So this fur is super smooth, and this is just fluffy and soft and heaven. Okay. This one is incredibly cute as well. I actually like the neutral colors. Oh, look how teeny tiny he is. What a cute monster. And this one, this is the toffee one. And again, like, his face, perfection. He's so round and cute. Okay guys, next one. This is, let's see. Oh, this is the green grape. Honestly, I'm speechless, and it just feels so nice. I was sure I would wear my LABUBUs as back charms, because that's what they meant for, right? However, now I'm like, am I? Or am I gonna keep them as collectibles because I don't want them to get dirty? I don't know. If you wear your LABUBUs, let me know how the wear and tear is, and if you need to worry about it. I know there are these plastic cases to protect them, but that takes away about, like, just their cuteness, you know, of like dangling from your bag. And maybe I'm gonna wear my Have a Seat LABUBUs instead as back charms, and, you know, get little dresses for them. So the difference with the Have a Seat LABUBUs is the eyes are a little bit more detailed. Can you see that? But honestly, the fluffiness wins by a million. Sesame bean. Look at him with his little ears. So cute. I really like all the neutral colors. I think it's quite easy, you know, to match with any bag, to be honest. And last but not least, here we are with the last one, and we didn't get the secret, so you know, you can always hope, of course. The secret is like the brown one, which reminds me actually the most of a Monchichi, because the original Monchichis had that same dark brown color, but we didn't get it. But that's okay. They're all incredibly cute anyway. And this is the sea salt coconut. To be honest, blue is usually not my color, but when you get a whole pack like this, you can either like give them away, you can just keep them as collectibles, or to be honest, I have a really nice blue dress. So if I wear that blue dress and then this as a bag charm on maybe a black bag, then it could work. Look at him. Just look at him. So cute as well. And oh, and they're tiny. They are teeny tiny. So yeah, guys, this is my LABUBU addiction. I'm a big nerd at heart, and well, I cannot resist a hype like this. Oh well. So my LABUBU family is definitely growing, and I could not be any happier, guys. Hey soy milk, say hi. Okay guys, that was it. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye. Yeah, I really don't know why I like these things. I don't see any similarities.